Hello viewers, here I am at the LiAuto stand at Shanghai Auto Show. This time, they didn't bring us any new car, but they did release some brand new stuff. The 4C supercharging pile. It has 480 charging power that allows you to get 400 km of range in just 10 minutes. And a liquid cooling system that makes the cable and the plug incredibly light, even lighter than the 2C pile there. According to the official statement, LiAuto will first lay out 300 charging piles on China's highway network, and this number will reach 3,000 by 2025. And let's not forget, LiAuto's all-electric car is not even here yet. Since it had already announced that there will not be any plans for overseas market before 2025, you may think all of this is just irrelevant to you. However, we saw some foreigner dealerships discussing with LiAuto's people about parallel importing these cars to other countries. If the deal is finally struck, you may be able to see what the best family SUV in the world is all about. And if you're interested enough, I'm about to bring you the review of L9, the flagship model of LiAuto, very soon.